In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Greater Portmore Primary won and decided to send George Headley Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with George Headley Primary and Bible knowledge. In the Bible, who were named as the first 3 sons of Adam and Eve?
First 3 sons.
Abel, Cain, and Seth.
Abel, Cain, and Seth.
That is correct. Greater Portmore. In the Bible, who were named as the first 2 wives of Abraham?
Rebecca and Sarah.
Sarah and Hagar.
Incorrect. It's Sarah and Keturah. George Headley. What is a name? That should be what is the single name given to the female part of a flower?
Female part of a flower.
The pistil.
The pistil.
That's right. Greater Portmore. What is the name of the area of a flower that receives pollen during pollination?
The stigma.
That's right. International affairs, we have a visual question for George Headley. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Russia.
Russia.
That is correct. Greater Portmore, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
China. China.
That's correct. English language for George Headley. How many syllables are in the word despicable?
4. 4.
That's correct. Greater Portmore. How many syllables are in the word contentment?
3. 3.
That's right. Television, a visual question for George Headley. Look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
Candy.
Judy Hopps. Judy Hopps.
Judy Hopps.
Incorrect. It's Cindy Lou Who from The Grinch. Greater Portmore. Look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
Carl.
Carl.
Incorrect. It's Rupert from The Grinch. General knowledge. Which chess piece is nicknamed the Foot Soldier? This is for George Headley.
Foot soldier.
The knight.
The knight.
Incorrect. It's a pawn. Greater Portmore. Which chess piece is also known as a castle?
The rook. The rook.
That's right. Social studies for George Headley. What is the name given to the average weather patterns in a region over a long period of time?
Climate. Climate.
That's right. Greater Portmore. What is the name given to the process where wind, water or ice wear away land and rocks?
Erosion. Erosion.
That is correct. Music for George Headley. To which family of instruments does the marimba belong?
Percussion. Percussion.
That's right. Greater Portmore. To which family of instruments does the fiddle belong?
String. The string.
That's correct. George Headley. Mathematics. What is the value of 89.17 multiplied by 100?
8917. 8917.
Correct. Greater Portmore. What is the value of 73.89 multiplied by 1,000?
73,890.
That is correct. Sports, a visual question for George Headley. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Tajay Gale. Tajay Gale.
That's correct. Greater Portmore. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Wayne. Akeem Fennell. Akeem Fennell.
Incorrect. It's the Jamaican athlete Rashawn Clark. Jamaican affairs for George Headley. On what date was Andrew Holness sworn in as Jamaica's Prime Minister for the 4th time?
1980. Huh?
September 8th.
September 8th.
Incorrect. It's September 16th, 2025. Greater Portmore. On what date was the swearing-in ceremony for the parliamentarians elected in Jamaica's most recent general elections?
August 18.
August 18th. September 13th.
Incorrect. It's September 18th, 2025. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are George Headley Primary on 8 and Greater Portmore Primary on 7. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Take notes in class, even if it's not required. Writing reinforces learning. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.